This lesson we'll discover together le verbe attendre. So attendre means to wait, okay? So it belongs to the third group of verbs, so not the regular one, the irregular. So that's the reason why it's quite important to take a few minutes to discover together the way to conjugate this verb at the present form, okay? So let's see now how it will go. So the first form will be j'attends, j'attends, okay? You get D and S, well basically you don't pronounce them, okay? And then you get only the sound attends. Nasal here, en, j'attends, okay? Second form, tu attends, okay? You can see that, well, it is exactly the same one, so same way to pronounce it, attends, okay? Il attend, elle attend. So the only difference between this one, so this il form and the tu or je form, okay, if you want to write, it's just that if you look carefully, you don't have the final S here, okay? But then basically, if you want to only pronounce or only speak, then, well, it's exactly the same way to pronounce these forms, okay? J'attends, tu attends, il attend, elle attend. Okay, but then nous is coming here, all right, and then we've got the classic ending for nous, so O-N-S, okay, you don't pronounce the S, so you get only this on sound, okay, attendons, nous attendons, so we'll make the link between the two, la liaison, nous attendons, nous attendons, vous form, same thing, classic ending for vous, EZ, okay? When you combine the two, you get the sound et, okay? Vous attendez, attendez, okay? Let's put here the liaison, the link. Vous attendez, okay? And the last one, same thing, classic ending for il, elle at the plural form, ENT, but then you don't pronounce them. Ils attendent, okay, so remember you get to pronounce this, the D at the end, okay, elles attendent, alright, if you make the link, ils attendent, elles attendent, okay, so let's read them. J'attends, tu attends, il attend, elle attend, nous attendons, vous attendez, ils attendent, elles attendent. Okay? So I've been making few sentences just to show you how it works, or the meaning. J'attends le train. So le train, the train, I wait. Okay? I wait for the train, but then j'attends le train. Okay? Tu attends avec moi. So you wait, and then avec means with, moi, me. You wait with me. Tu attends avec moi. Il attend sa femme. Okay, remember, sa, it's the possessive, his in that case, and then femme, wife. Il attend sa femme. Nous attendons tranquillement. Nous attendons tranquillement. So here, I wanted to show you how it could work if you put this tranquillement. So tranquillement is quietly, and it's an adverb. Okay, it's ending with ment like that, which is one of the classic ending for the adverbs. We'll have the time to see that a bit later. But then, yeah, quietly is tranquillement. Nous attendons tranquillement. So basically you put this adverb after your verb, okay? Nous attendons tranquillement. Vous attendez les enfants. Ok, children, les enfants. Vous attendez les enfants. Elles attendent votre réponse. Réponse, answer, and then remember, votre, it's the possessive, your. Elles attendent votre réponse. Okay, so I will read them one more time, and I will read them at my normal speed. Okay, just for you to get used, because I've been reading them quite slowly when we were just we were covering them previously. Okay, so j'attends le train, tu attends avec moi, il attend sa femme, nous attendons tranquillement, vous attendez les enfants, elles attendent votre réponse.